Taking a full look at weather now, Weather Authority Chief Meteorologist Dan Cianca. Do I tell people that you've been singing Blame It on the Rain?
Blame It on the Rain. Yeah, we always
rain.
I like weather-related songs. They just kind of pop into my head. But we do have some precipitation moving into the area tonight, mostly tomorrow morning. The radar picture is showing some light echoes moving into Santa Cruz County tonight. And I've been looking at any possible rain reports. Nothing on the ground so far just yet. And no weather stations picking up any measurable rainfall. With that said, a few sprinkles will be possible as this light wave moves through. And it's barely showing up in the bigger picture of things. I think it's just kind of the tail end of the warm front associated with this weather system. The actual cold front still in Northern California. We can see widespread rain there. You can even see some of those brighter colors, the yellows, oranges, and reds, indicating the more moderate to maybe briefly heavy rain. Now, this cold front will lose quite a bit of steam as it trucks south down the coast toward us overnight tonight. And by the time it reaches us, I'm only expecting light precipitation. You can see the storm system actually spinning off of British Columbia, but the cold front all the way down here. The thing is, we have another system behind it, and that's a more complex system that will come through over the course of several days, starting late tomorrow night into Thursday and possibly lasting into Friday as well. So really, it's a week of active weather for us. So we are going to get some rain tomorrow morning, but that's not all the rain we're going to get. In fact, better chances are still to come. But let's get you through the overnight first. Again, a few sprinkles possible late tonight. This is 9 p.m. on Futurecast, looking at mostly cloudy skies around the bay. Light southerly winds pushing that moisture up into the Santa Cruz Mountains, where you'll likely encounter patchy drizzle at times tonight with this moisture being pushed there. The cold front, this computer model has it around 1 a.m. trying to get into Santa Cruz County. I still think it's going to be a little bit later than that based on its position right now. So I'm thinking like during the morning commute, we'll start to see some of that activity. So this is 4 a.m., maybe a little bit better positioning around Santa Cruz, continuing to move south and east across the Monterey Bay area through 8 a.m. So that's our morning commute time, 4 to 8 a.m. for most, well, I guess maybe early birds heading out at 4 a.m., but many of you already on the roads at 4 a.m., and many of you more probably towards 6, 7, 8 a.m. But either way, expecting light rain across the region as you wake up tomorrow morning for most cities around Monterey Bay, which is going to mean wet roadways. Nothing extreme, so I'm not expecting any major ponding on the roadways or anything like that, or any issues with our burn scars. This is going to be light, beneficial rains, but the main impacts will be to your hair and to the roads. So just keep that in mind on the way out the door tomorrow morning. So this is 8 a.m. We're going to see this cold front just kind of fizzle out over our area by the time we get to lunchtime. With that said, we still could see a few lingering showers out there through lunchtime. After that, I expect things to clear out pretty quickly, and by 5 p.m. tomorrow, we're looking at just partly cloudy skies. So again, most of that precipitation is going to be from noon or earlier tomorrow, and mostly just light precipitation. The better chances will be farther north and farther south. We probably won't get much in our southern valleys, which will be kind of blocked by the mountains. I do want to get you to late tomorrow night into, I should say, late Wednesday night with that next system coming through. So that arrives late Wednesday night into Thursday morning. I'm expecting some additional, potentially more moderate rainfall with that system. So a lot to look out for with this busy week of weather. Futurecast precipitation with this first system showing maybe up to 1/4 of an inch in some areas in the Santa Cruz area. I could see actually up to 1/2 an inch in the Santa Cruz Mountains with this system. Most cities around the bay probably picking up around 1/10 of an inch or so with this first system, and then we'll get more later on this week. Temperatures tomorrow, not too bad. With this cold front doesn't really have a lot of cold air packed behind it, so we're going to stay seasonable to slightly cool for this time of year. 65 your high in Santa Cruz tomorrow. Over to Watsonville and Salinas, we're going to stay in the 60s tomorrow. Same at Hollister at 65 with low 60s back toward the Bay Shore. Monterey Peninsula, also low 60s tomorrow. Really not bad, pretty seasonable. Monterey, your normal high this time of year is 63. And then farther south will be a little cool this time of year inland with 60s to maybe some low 70s in our southern valleys. But generally a seasonably cool day tomorrow with morning rain and then afternoon sunshine sneaking through. But again, the rest of the week looking pretty complicated. We have the potential for some light rain starting in the north on Wednesday night. I think on Thursday we'll see periods of rain with showers lingering all the way into Friday. Temperatures will be cooler, will be blustery at times, but at the moment I'm not expecting any extreme wind with this system. It will be breezy if not windy this weekend, but temperatures will slowly warm up out of the weekend into next week on the coast. Inland areas also will have more of a shot of rain on Thursday and Friday with showery weather. We're going to have to watch for thunderstorms. I don't have any in the forecast just yet, but this is a pretty dynamic system coming through. Beyond that, I'm expecting much warmer weather out of the weekend. Looks pretty nice.
Sounds like these are the systems we like, though, not bringing too much rain all at once.
Exactly. Yeah. That's what we need.
All right. Thanks, Dan.